Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about macro photo tutorial in Redmi smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to see this. Click on camera and click on this top of the option, and here it is macro. If you have not clicked on it, just click on it, and you can also see the macro lens used in 720 pixel only, not in 1080 resolution. Click on macro, and friends, here you have to just see this and just click a photo. And friends, here you can see this is the macro lens. You can see this is the macro. You will see all those details also, like this, the details. And if you choose the normal photo, then you have to just press this and click on macro. Here it is very clear, and when you just stop the macro lens, you can choose the quality is quite decreased. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.